Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to make a free Minecraft server using Aternos. So let's get started. Go to your browser, search Aternos. Now press the play option. We need to sign up. Now give a unique username according to your choice. Tick mark the options and press next. Now give a password for your account. Then click on sign up. Click on create a server. You can see two options, one is for Java and one is for Bedrock. Select Java. This is our server address. If you want, you can change the address now or later. Click on create to initiate the server setup. Your server is almost ready. Let's start it up and explore some management options. Now select the game version you are playing. It will not work if you give the wrong version. After installing it, select options from the left. Under server properties, you can change these options according to your need. Click on Start. Wait for the server to start. Accept the prompt. After successfully started the server, go to Minecraft. Then go to multiplayer option and type the server address on the server info. Click on done. Now select the server and double click on it. Share the server IP with your friends so they can join your world. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to a 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.